Today is one of those days where our real jobs have caught up with us, all right, in more ways than one. Luis, our videographer, says his stomach is still full from was it the baptism?
Yes, I was godfather.
You were godfather yesterday in the baptism. Was it yesterday or Saturday?
Saturday.
Saturday. So that means it was a proper party. So today we're killing a couple of birds. I've got very little time because I've got tours coming up like crazy. And I've just started what I'm calling my marathon, my tour marathon. So I'm 2 weeks on the road, every day with tours. Some very good clients. Got one for 3 days, one for 4 days, and another client for 5 days. So there's a lot of prep, a lot of work, everything getting ready for the tours. And unfortunately, the vlog was gonna suffer a little bit this week. So today, we are eating like locals, all right? And we're cheating a little bit by giving away one of my biggest kind of secrets that I don't really wanna do, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. This is how much I love you guys. This is how much I love the vlog. So we're gonna have a poncha here at Tasca do Arieiro, one of my favorite places for poncha, one of our favorite places for poncha as locals, because it's a poncha XL, like we say in Portuguese, XL poncha. Tangerina, my favorite one, and this is gonna open up the appetite for what's coming. Stick around. We're gonna try and make this as valuable and as entertaining as possible. So don't go anywhere. Luis, ching ching. Poncha and cheese. Who would have known, eh? This is the dentinho we got. Look, we got one piece of ham. Like, what's up with the piece of ham? Just like 10 blocks of cheese and a piece of ham. Yeah, I don't know how to identify cheese. I don't know why I was even gonna try.
Not the cheese guy.
I mean, I love cheese. I don't know how to identify some cheeses. This is definitely Portuguese cheese. Anyway, it was good. Try some. That's my hood, man. That's what I call the Upper West Side. Upper West Side of Funchal. It's the best place to live, right? People are gonna be like, oh, it's all built up. It's not traditional. I'm sorry, I don't live in a banana plantation, okay? I prefer to live in a nice apartment. And I know it's crazy, because it is crazy. Oh, the Jeep's out. I'm giving you guys one of my favorite places today. And what I think is the best place to eat squid. And I was like, oh, should I give away my squid place? This is what I do. I hear what's going on around me and I make things happen. Lulas in Portuguese, and what we call lulas a diabo, the devil's squid. My backyard. We got some driftwood from the rains. We had a lot of rain in the last couple of weeks, and you can see it on the beach, but it's starting to calm down. Water seems to be nice. And yeah, this is where I used to hang out a lot. This is Praia Formosa, for those of you who don't know. This is the beach of Funchal, and I used to live close by, even closer than where I live now. So in the summertime, I used to run here. I used to come here for coffee as well. And right at the end there is one of my favorite places to have some food. So follow me, let's go get some grub. We're doing picado, chicken. Should get a nice shot of can we get some slow-mo beer pouring action?
I know.
Hey, Mr. Video Maker.
Video maker.
Filmmaker, sorry.
Well,
sorry, I'm just kidding.
That's not the worst right now.
No?
It's not the worst.
It's not the worst? Okay. What do they call you?
Camerograph.
Camerograph. Wow, camerograph.
The new deal.
That's crazy. What would I be? Tourograph. Tourograph. Allez, slow motion. Perfect pour. I mean, almost. Hey, There we go, that's the whole thing. Not quite, just a little bit extra. Madeira, just a little bit extra is a perfect pour. Sometimes they're making poncha, they'll put that and then they'll put a little bit extra, it's a perfect pour. Anyway, for some of you guys, this is not a surprise. If you are a client of Hit the Road Madeira, so if you're coming to Madeira and you do a tour in Madeira, once you book your tour, automatically you get a list of our favorite 35 restaurants in Madeira. It's included in the email, you just need to find it. If you haven't found it, let me know. But this place is on the list because it's one of my favorite 35. I try to make it a small list, all right? And even then I wanted 20 places because I thought 35 is way too much, but I couldn't, I couldn't cut out. It's just, that was just the way it was. So 35, my favorite 35 places, this place is on the list. You can also find it on Patreon. So if you're coming to Madeira, you go to Patreon, you can find this as a standalone product. If you want to buy it, if you're not buying a tour, if you want to do everything yourself, you will find it. What this place is known for, like I said before, what I love about this place is the lulas. But we're gonna get a little bit of everything kind of thing so that you guys can see what this is about, and we're gonna have a feast, hey, me and Luis. We're definitely gonna get some, do you like hot stuff, hey? Do you like your lulas spicy, Luis? Yes? So we're gonna get lulas at Diabo. We're not doing lapis because it's March, and for those of you who don't know, that in March, from January, February, March, you don't wanna do lapis, limpets, because it means they're frozen, because this is when you're not allowed to catch them, all right? Or they're frozen or they're illegal. We're not gonna do lapis. Camarão, we're not quite camarão people, I think. I don't know, unless he wants a, yeah, he's like, maybe he wants camarão. No, but we're gonna do a picado, and I think we should do a espada picado, because it's something different.
Yeah,
Scabbard fish picado, and some calamari. One of my favorite dishes in the whole of Madeira is this calamari dish. It was a good idea, Luis. I'm glad you didn't go for the francesinha. Working hard today, huh? It's been a while since I've been down here. I kind of wish it was hot and sunny and kind of, summertime. It is technically, we've just passed the middle of March. So by the time you guys watch this video, it might be April. But we're not quite in summer yet. But in summertime, this place will be packed. There'll be people coming up and down, people on the beach. It'll be a big party. So yeah, just like I said, one of my favorite things. This dish here with me and my wife was one of our favorite dishes on the whole island. And as usual, we've ordered too much food, eh? We're gonna see how good this picado is. Because if this picado is that good, then it'll disappear. And I actually think it could disappear because it looks really nice. But I thought that, it wasn't enough to have just the lulas for you guys. This is a picado, means chopped. Picado means chopped. So it's beef with mushrooms, with some gravy and French fries, a little bit of tomato and onions. Olives. I kind of wish we hadn't used all the ball lukaku so we can
dip the sauce.
We might still order one more, hey, who knows? Luis, you ready for another baptism? Hey?
Well, not so soon.
Not so soon? We did it, we finished it. This, boys and girls, is a picado. A picado you share with people. Usually with family, they'll have a picado, something like that. When you ask for a picado in a local place, you have to make sure that the picado is big or small enough for you. So, just because it says medium could be for 4 people, like large could be for 6 people. So you have to be careful when you're ordering. Just ask the person, be like, is this enough for 2 people? Or should I go for a medium? Is this too much for 2 people? Is it too much for 4 people? Whatever, ask the people. But this is incredible. Let's finish this up and get out of here and get some dessert, huh? Gotta pay the parking.
Still no Bitcoin for parking.
Still no what?
Bitcoin.
No Bitcoins for parking, no. We don't talk about Bitcoin. People get anxious when you speak about Bitcoin. Let's not talk about Bitcoin. Yeah, there you go. Giving away my secrets. What was the lady in Santana? She said the best secret is to not have any secrets, eh?
Indeed.
Yeah, that's the one. Best secret is to not have any secrets. So this place has one of the best coffees, right, in the area. Usually Portuguese coffee is okay. I'm not going to say Portuguese coffee is bad, but they've got the kind of like, you know, specialty coffee kind of thing. I find that the coffee here is a little bit better. It's not quite local. You know, there are local people who come here, but probably 80% tourists, 80 to 85% tourists. I wanted to try, because I've had this thing since I got back from the United States, about the flavored natas. You know, Joey Batts in New York does the flavored natas, and he does the blueberry natas. It's amazing. And this one is the ananas pineapple nata. So I have my doubts. It'll do. It's not quite Joey Batts. Louise, now we gotta check your pistachio cheesecake. Well, I believe the pistachio cheesecake is the one to go for. According to Louise, you see, it's true, eh? So next time I'm here, I'm gonna try the pistachio. Again, like I said, this is a place that I like to come to. It's not quite local, but it's one of the places that I like to go to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope there's enough value in this video for you guys to enjoy the video, right? We were, like I said, a little bit tied up with work and kind of tight for new videos to come, but I promise that there is more cool things coming, better things, more planned things coming. We've got lots of work, so let us know in the comments what you want to see, and like and subscribe to the channel, because there's lots more coming to Hit the Road Madeira. And yeah, that's it. It's about 5 o'clock. Louise? Yeah.
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. And I've already got a client here asking, wait, he says, hey Jeff, this is right in there, hey? You see that, like 1 minute ago? Just wanted to say that our tour was absolutely amazing. Hey, should we do a quick one? This is from Matthew, thank you Matthew. And he's asking, where can he put a review? We're gonna put it right here. Just wanted to say the tour is absolutely amazing. Fabio is an incredible guide, so knowledgeable and engaging. I'd love to leave a review. Do you have a link for that? Yes, you should have one. Also, I spoke with Fabio at the end before additional tips available before we leave on Friday. Hiking tour, yeah, we're full, I think, Matthew. I'll get back to Matthew in a second. But hey, you see, hey, it's good, right? We're good. Thank you, Matthew, for the message. And I'll get back to you in a second. Let's get out of here. I'm gonna go.